Hello friends, today I'll be unboxing a Wi-Fi adapter AX900 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. Its main features are 900 Mbps high speed, dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It is driverless and there is 5 decibel antenna which gives strong signal. It also supports Bluetooth 5.3 version. On opening the box we get the installation leaflet and the Wi-Fi adapter. It cost me about 1050 rupees, almost $8. Here is the close-up shot of the adapter. The only downside is it supports USB 2.0. I've connected it to my computer and let's check how much speed it gives. My home network is connected with 350 Mbps internet. Let's check the internet speed it gives. I'm estimating the internet speed using fast.com. And it shows 170 Mbps. The net speed is quite fluctuating in our country. So I think this is a good device, cheap device which supports Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi AX version, and it can be used as a hotspot also. And this is a plug and play adapter and it can be used in desktop as well as laptops. So it's a quite cheap method if you do not want to use internal Wi-Fi card. So that's for today. Thank you for watching.